So today is October 11th, 2017, and this is the continuation of the 3-wire signal switch to the new 7-wire signal switch. As I had already previously discussed, this 3-wire system here, which consists of a left and right blinker, the red and this black, and the power which goes to the switch, which comes from the flasher. It was designed for old cars that didn't have blinkers, and you just hooked this up and you were able to put blinkers on the back of your vehicle. The way I understand it is, you would actually add a light housing to the back of the car, or maybe you had 2 incandescent bulbs, or I don't even know how to say it, but one bulb that has 2 different light systems in it. Anyway, this was designed to add blinkers to the old cars. Problem is, no brake lights. Yeah, so solved that problem. Now I've kind of mocked this up, and it is now functioning. So the main thing is here's the wiring diagram. The main thing is this one has the ability to use the brake light switch. So that what happens is when you are using brake lights and you want to use a blinker as well, this switch will bypass, for example, if you have the brakes on and you want to turn left, it'll bypass the brake light current that's going to the left side, and it'll allow that left light to blink. Likewise, if you have the brakes on and you turn your right blinker on, it'll bypass this brake light switch and it'll blink the right rear light. So then, it was a real simple hookup. There was only 7 wires. You have the power lead from your brake, your left and right front blinkers, your left and right rear blinkers, and you have a blue and black wire. Now, this blue wire is for the lights right there, the green and the red, and the black is actually a power that powers this device up and provides power to the existing lights, and including the dash lights once I hook them up. Yeah, this is actually not a mess. It was a rat's nest in here, so this is pretty much cleaned up. Alright, so moving on. I'm going to show you what the lights look like. Boy, this chrome is really shining. It's reflecting on this camera. So I'm going to put this phone down and I'm going to show you what the light looks like. The light that's on the switch. Now, again, for the sake of this, this video is not going to really magnify it. Well, maybe it is, I don't know, but this red light is very bright. So basically, when your car is running, this red light is always going to be on. And then what happens is when you hit your blinker, this green light will come on. Likewise, this light will come on. But this light is always on. Now, at least the way this is wired and the way it's comes set up that way. So really, and if you wanted to, you could just take this blue light and disconnect it, or blue wire and disconnect it. And this way you don't have this big bright red light shining in your face, and all you will have is your dash lights blinking once they're hooked up. You know, this is not just going to get rid of the red light. if you take out the blue wire. It'll likewise get rid of these blinkers that are on the switch. See that? It's a poor view, but so I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that blue wire. Here's the blue wire right there, and the black wire is the power to the signal switch, and that purple wire, I can't really tell, the one that it's connected to, that goes to the flasher. That flasher right there. So let's go ahead and take this off so you can see. Probably going to disconnect everything. Well, sure. Did it? No, it didn't. So now then, when you turn this, well, you don't see, well, you're going to see a little bit of a light there, but that's actually the light that's shining from this camera, but there's no internal light. Now, just to show you that it is working, I mean, I don't have dash lights, but I'm going to show you that it's working. So if you look up there, you see that light right there? That's my right blinker, and the left one you can barely see it. See it right there? I'm going to see if I can demonstrate it. Well, I can't demonstrate it there because there's a background light, but I'm going to demonstrate it on my right. Blinker. That's my hood of the truck flipped up, and that's the ceiling of my garage. So right now, let's turn this switch up right. No lights are on, but if you look up here, that light got brighter. Watch. So I'm going to turn it off. Oh. Looks like I was incorrect with that statement. Oh, okay, there it is. This one's working all right. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I have a short on that wire, on that light, so much for that demonstration. But fortunately, my left light is still working up here. So, and yeah, I'm sorry, there's a big bright light up there on top of my garage roof. Heck, let's just do this. There we go. So I'm going to go left blinker. See that? Left blinker. Left blinker. And there's no light there. So really, this blue wire is just controlling the light bulbs, or the light bulb inside here. So you may want to disconnect this blue wire because this thing is really bright. So that's just going to be your choice. But if you don't have any lights on your dash, this may be an option to just keep this blue connected, so at least you'll have the indicators here. I may opt to just take it off because this red light is bright. Once again, just talking about that blue wire. So that's it for this video, and stay tuned, and I'll show you what's next. Thanks for watching.